So we are continuously creating different types of Google's advertisements here. So today we will try to create another advertisement campaign under the sales goal. Okay, so the new campaign. Okay, so we will select the sales as an option. So we tried to create a video advertisement yesterday. Okay, so let us try to create an express advertisement here. Okay, so Express. So get website sales with automated ads that show on Google Maps across all the places in internet. So earlier it was called as a smart campaign. Now they are calling it as an express campaign. Okay. So basically, when you go to Google's advertisement, if you are a first time if you are using Google Ads, Google will take you to Google Ads Express mode only, where 90% of the whole program will be automated and customized. Okay, we will have very minimal customization. Okay, whereas if you do not want to go with the express method, you can use any of the above methods: search, display, shopping, and other stuff. Okay, so Google will take your content using a express method and it will show it wherever possible. It will show it on search network, it will show it inside a Google Maps location, it will show across all the places in internet. Wherever Google is present, it will show. Okay, let us give it a try about this express method. Okay, and I'm clicking on continue. Okay, so when I select the express method, Google is telling you, hey, we are going to show you your advertisement to Google business listing also. So your account is linked to multiple businesses. Okay, and which business you want to use, which is basically the Google's local business listing option. Under this ID, I have this Google's local business listing option created. Okay, so I can go over and select any of the business of my choice. Okay, I select one choice of my location in Tinagar. Okay, now, so this interface will be pretty different. Okay, this is basically the Google Ads Express interface. Okay, where it will be very simplified. We don't need any technical knowledge to do this. Okay, so where are your customers? They're asking where are your customers. Okay, I can tell them advertise near an address or location. Okay, so I want my appears to add in Chennai. Okay, so Sikarayappuram, Tandalam like this. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to appear only on Chennai. I remove this. So Pottivakam. Okay, so only Chennai. So if I want, I can add an address or I will be selecting my business listing. Okay, my business listing is chosen. 25 kilometers from my business listing is what I can give it a try. Okay, I can target up to 65 kilometers like this. Maximum 65 kilometers, it is giving me an option. This is a radius targeting. Okay, if you look into the manual way of doing it, okay, that will be different. So this is basically the radius targeting option. Okay, if not, you can remove this radius targeting option. You can go to the location targeting, where you can search each and every location to target. Okay, so I am targeting Chennai, Coimbatore, and I can target Madurai. Okay, then I target Trichy. So whichever I want to target, so like this I can add the location. Okay, so the next is clear. So next is what I can see here. Okay, so instead of calling it as a keyword ad group, they are calling it as a setup keyword themes. So very generic one. Okay, so based on the content, okay, I can give here. So training center, cyber security. Okay, so I will remove this. Okay, blockchain, I will add a new keyword based on my requirements. Okay, let me say I'm talking about the digital marketing training. Okay, I'll try to say digital marketing training or digital marketing course in training course. Okay, I will select this and it is going to give me suggestions related to the content whichever I have chosen at the top. Okay, so if there is anything related to me, I will choose it. Otherwise, I'll leave it. Training center, blockchain, cyber crime. Okay, so computer training, digital marketing course I have. So digital marketing courses, digital marketing course, digital marketing training institute. Okay, and I will see web development course, Oracle training. Okay, so these are not my cup of choice. Okay, Then I will try to add, okay, SEO training, okay, SEO training, online SEO training. Okay, this is one. Okay, I will try to see online SEO training. So I will try to select keywords related to this, so whichever is related to my business. Okay, I will say like Google Analytics, okay, training course. Okay, I do have Google Ads, okay, training. So these are the things which I'm offering, so I can add based on your industry also. You can add, and you simply click on next. Okay, now directly to the advertisement. Okay, if you pay attention to the normal expert mode of advertisement campaign creation, it spoke about a lot. It spoke about the schedule, it spoke about the content, it spoke about lots of things inside. Okay, now I'm going to give the advertisement for my content, I mean the content for the advertisement, which is having almost, okay, two headlines, three headlines, and two description. Each headline is worth 30 characters and each description is worth 90 characters. Okay, so I can give something like learn digital marketing from your home. Now character limit. Okay, now I say learn digital marketing, or instead of learn digital marketing I will say online digital marketing. I will try to add course. Okay, so online digital marketing class. Why I'm talking it as a class? The reason because character limit. So 30 character limit. Okay, what does it say? Okay, personalized mentorship program. So personalized mentorship program. Okay, one character problem. Okay, so personalized mentorship sessions. If I put class, it will be repeating. So personalized mentorship training is very long. Class session. Okay, one character is extra. Okay, instead of personalized, I can say customized. I will try customized. Okay, so customized mentorship session. Okay, or I can try program, mentorship program. Okay, so character limit. So the real talent falls into typing the advertisement title within the character limit. So this is how the advertisement will look like: online digital marketing class, customized mentorship program, and the third one is, okay, learn from your home. Okay, so learn from home. You don't need to travel a lot to spend time, something like that. Okay, so basically learn from your home. Okay, so online marketing class, customized mentorship program, so learn from home, something like that. Okay, so we have something called a description where you have to describe your advertisement. Okay, start talking to people. Okay, so enroll for the online digital marketing course by Amar Kumar and become independent in implementing. Okay, become independent, that's it. Don't need to be dependent on somebody. Once you learn the concept, so be independent. Okay, so go with another option. So we can add as one more thing. Okay, highly flexible timings, highly flexible timings. We can give it a try. Okay, highly flexible timings, customized support, beyond class hours. Okay, so I still have 30 more characters to write. I can write more. Okay, so what happens? My advertisement is ready. See here, online digital marketing class, customized mentorship program. So this text is there. My location is added. So this is how it is showing. Okay, so clicks on your ad and go to business profile page optimized for your page. Okay, so there will be a business profile page, or I can make people to go to the website of my choice. Okay, going to a business profile page is a good thing. Okay, now click on your business profile. How does this look like? Okay, now this is the image. So this go to my business or location images. Okay, this is how the page looks like. Amadhu Kumar digital marketing course or training in Chennai is talking about the digital marketing course. Okay, now when people browse through, they can give a call and they can talk to me, is what it is. Okay, so Google is automatically using its artificial intelligence system to do it. Anyway, this is a pretty wonderful option, but the thing is, like, we don't have much control over the cost or other stuff. Okay, if you want, you can give it a try about this. If not, you can go out and try to create with your expert campaign. Okay, so what happens here? So 506 daily average, 796. Now with respect to Google's express campaign creation, it is giving you suggestions. Okay, you go for this value, you go for this value, you go for this value. Okay, so it says, like, reach an estimated people of 8,800 to 14,840 people and get approximately 440 to 750 ad clicks a month. So daily you will be ending up spending 506 rupees, approximately 15,000 rupees a month. So there is a second one they are recommending to us, that's 796 rupees every day. Okay, so 14,000 to 23,000 people is what we will visit, and we will get 700 to 1,180 clicks per month. Out of the 780 clicks per month, if we have 10 to 15 enrollments happening successfully, that's a huge business for us. Okay, now 1631 daily average 49,582 is monthly tax, the spending. So whichever is your choice, we can choose, or you can enter your own budget and give it a try. Okay, so we click on next, and finally this is your advertisement will be looking like. Okay, so it says per month we will be showing to this many people, and this many people will click on your advertisement. Okay, once they click, they are going to talk to us, they are going to connect with us for a business, so it's going to work for us. So locations, budget, and the keyword themes which are I have selected, that's it. Okay, so I go next, so the campaign will be able to be published finally. Okay, so review your campaign, online digital marketing courses. So the smart campaign is ready, it is being scheduled. Okay, anytime it can run. So once it will undergo a review, under review. So once it goes under review, at any time the campaign go live and it will be working very well, and we can see how much amount is being spent, how many details are here. We can see this one. Okay, so this is basically the Google's smart campaign, or Google's express campaign. Okay, this is one basic stuff.